baby, stay with me. I can't let you go. Side to side, side to side. I feel my heart beat, beat like a wrecking ball. Side to side, side to side. Oh, baby, stay with me. I can't let you go.
Yang size kay katulad ng 20.
Turn up the volume on the radio. Can you feel my heart beat, beat tonight? Something about you makes me feel alive. Be the one, tell me that you stay underneath the light. Everything's okay. I know that we'll be fine. Just tell me that you're mine tonight. I can see the lights don't fight the music, baby, just let go and you know. Side to side, side to side. I feel my heart beat, beat like a wrecking ball.
Nice
Side to
one.
side, side to side. Oh, baby, stay with me. I can't let you go. Side to side, side to side. I feel my heart beat, beat like a wrecking ball. Side to side, side to side. Oh, baby, stay with me. I can't let you go.
Guys, this is Lemuel.
Hello, good morning. Thank you so much, Mom, for coming. It's indeed an honor and a privilege that you visit here in our place, which is the Marz Valley Nature Park official. Actually, this is the first time here in the city of Bogo, in North Cebu, that there will be a nature park here. So we're honored that you're here. Thank you so much for visiting here.
Welcome. Say something about the place.
Actually, the place is indeed wonderful.
Relaxing.
Not just wonderful, but once you will be able to visit here, you will definitely, it makes your day definitely complete.
And stress-free.
Yes, stress-free, distressing.
And how about the rides, the activities?
Here, actually, you will be able to experience our, not just our Carabao ride, but you will be able to experience as well our ATV rides, wherein this is the first time here in North Cebu. And not just that, but especially our zip line, wherein you will be able to buckle and fly high with our exhilarating zip line here in North Cebu. Yes, actually, it will be open this coming first week of December.
Okay.
Yeah, but not just that, we have mini zoo here in our Marz Valley Nature Park, and at the same time, you'll be able to experience here as well our kusina ni Lydia, wherein we will serve Filipino cuisine with an affordable price, especially our freshly picked dragon fruit shake here, wherein we get that here in our farmland. We have a dragon fruit farmland, really fresh. Really fresh.
Okay.
And at the same time, daytime at nighttime, aside from our video, okay, we have our live band as well.
Okay.
Yeah, wherein people can relax, they will be able to just simply enjoy eating while listening and accompanying with the live band.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mom, for coming. It's an honor. Hope that you'll be able to come back again here soon.
Okay.
Thank you for your presence. God bless. Bye-bye.